Hello Rosebeds, thanks for joining me today. It's time for another unboxing. Somebody commented on one of my last videos that I did out here that the wind chimes were annoying. I love them. So in the event that you don't like the wind chimes, I'm kind of hoping it helps if you see the movement so that you can anticipate a gong. But in the event that you don't like wind chimes, just put it on mute and take a look at the beautiful roses when they come out of the box. This unboxing is from High Country Roses. Matt from High Country is just wonderful. I can't say enough about him. He loves roses, he loves supporting the rose community, and he loves providing potted roses, band size, that are in the older varieties that you can't find very often. So let's get in here. What are we expecting when we unbox a potted rose? The size that we wanted, that it's going to be free from pest, that it's the soil is moist, and what else? I don't know. I'm too excited about the roses. I'll pop it up here what else we're looking for. So when we get in here, when you do bare roots, you want them completely enclosed in plastic, canes and roots. Potted roses, you don't want them enclosed in plastic, just the soil and that pot to keep the debris and dirt clean in the box. But you want those leaves to be open to the elements. It is possible that they might get black spot in shipment just because humidity builds up in these boxes. If they do get black spot, that's okay. We just defoliate the leaves, and I've done videos on that you can look at. The leaves will grow back within a couple of weeks, clean. All right, so this is secured in here really nicely. Oh, it's tied down here too. I ordered these when the website opened in January with their new stock for the season. High Country stocks throughout the year though, much like some of the other vendors like Heirloom or Northland. So they will continue to stock as inventory becomes available. Ooh, look at that. So this is what you can expect. This is a quart size and taped to cover that soil, and then it has moist newspaper inside. There you go. And so what I do with these, of course I'm going to look at it really quick, there's no pest, it looks great. So what I do with these is I pot them up into the next size, and they remain in that gallon size until the roots totally fill the container. And then once the roots fill that container, then I go ahead and put them in the ground. But I don't put these in the ground right away. You could put them in the ground right away, but I just find that the roots take off quicker and it stays settled in the pots, and it grows better if I give it that potting up. So let's look at the other one really quick, and then I'm going to read varieties to you. These look great also. I'm going to put these, take these all out and show you a picture. You can see that here on the table of everything that I got. While I'm pulling this up, I want you guys to know that once a month, Matt does a drawing from High Country Roses based on reviews that they receive with pictures. So if you are looking to join his monthly giveaway, make sure that you're putting your pictures and reviews on his website, and it doesn't even have to be something that you bought from him. Say you got it from a different vendor, you are still eligible for that giveaway, and he appreciates you putting your reviews out there. So before I start talking about the varieties that I got, I wanted to share there's a new breeder on the streets for rosarians, and his name is Dwayne. I think he's got an Instagram and a Facebook. I'll go ahead and pop those here. Check him out. Sign, like, subscribe. I'm really excited about the roses that he's bringing to market for rosarians, and High Country has the corner on that market right now, and I'm testing 2 of those within this shipment. One of them is called Love's Light, and then the other is called Love's Blush. And I hear that they're going to have 3 new varieties next year also from Dwayne. I added Gold Bush, Petite Peach. And Petite Peach was created by my good friend Teresa Byington from Rose Chat. Make sure you grab that one also. I got Rosarium Uterson, Alfred Cologne, Os Bloom, Blush Noisette, Bonica, Duke de Fitzjames, Cornelia, 9 Raw Britter. Super excited about Raw Britter. I saw that when I was on my trip to England, and it was around a fountain, and it was just these cuppy pink blooms. More people needing to grow Raw Britter. Julia Child, my first Julia Child. I've seen her a lot, and I love that apricot color. High Wire Flyer, Souvenir de Dr. Jumaine, and then, of course, 3 Bliss. So, Matt has been kind enough to allow us to do a giveaway for him. I'm going to do a drawing for 4 winners, 4 winners of a gift certificate to High Country Roses. If you would comment down below in this video with a rose that you're excited about from the High Country Roses website. So I'll pick those winners in 1 week, and I will announce it at the beginning of one of my videos. So keep on watching so you can see those winners. Thanks so much, and good luck in the drawing.